Hi guys, so today we are going to deal with one of the methods of solving a pair of linear equations. You have seen in the previous class that a problem was taken and we have solved by the mix of both methods. But now we will focus only on one method and we will take a numerical and we will try to solve that using one of the method. The first method which we are going to do is elimination method. Elimination method. Alright, so let me take a numerical for you so that you understand what this elimination method is. Alright. Solve. (3x plus 2y is equal to 11). 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 using elimination method. Now, you decide, when you are dealing with elimination method, you decide what you want to eliminate. Whether you want to eliminate x, then you will get y. And if you eliminate y, then you will get x. So what do? I will try to eliminate x. So what am I going to do? Whatever is the coefficient of x here, 2, that I will take and multiply to the first equation. And whatever is the coefficient of x here, 3, that I will take and I will multiply to the second equation. This is the technique, right? So I will say consider 2 times 3x plus 2y is equal to 11 and 3 times 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. So this will be how much? 2 3s are 6x, 2 2s are 4y, 2 11s are 22. Let me multiply. 3 2s are 6x, 3 3s are 9y and 3 4s are 12. So we have right now 2 equations. Now, since I have both the equations, I am going to subtract. What am I going to do? Subtract. Now, when I subtract, 6x minus 6x cancel. 4y minus 9y will be equal to how much? Minus 5y. And 22 minus 12 will be equal to 10. And now I write y is equal to 10 by minus 5. Y is equal to 5 1s are 5 2s are. Y is equal to minus 2. So I have first time eliminated x, I got the value of y. Which method we are doing? We are dealing with elimination method. So first time I eliminate x, I will get the value of y. I eliminate y and get the value of x. What am I going to do again? Consider. Now this time I am targeting to eliminate y. So 3 I will multiply to the first equation. 3 times 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. And what is the quotient of y here? 2. 2 should be multiplied to the second equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. 3 3s are 9x. 3 2s are 6y. 3 11s are 33. 2 2s are 4x. 2 3s are 6y. 2 4s are 8. Now I will subtract. When I subtract, 9x minus 4x will be 5x. 6y minus 6y cancel. 33 minus 8. What is 33 minus 8? And that is equal to 35. I'm sorry, 25. Is it correct? 25. So x is equal to 25 by 5. 5 1s are, 5 5s are. What is x is equal to 5? So you have to observe very carefully. Since I am doing elimination method, I am first time eliminating x, getting the value of y. Second time I am eliminating y, getting the value of x. And to eliminate x, I have to balance the quotient of x. To eliminate y, I have to balance the quotient of y. How to balance the quotient of x? Take the quotient of x here, multiply to the first equation. Take the quotient of x here, multiply to the second equation. Same way you do it with y. And children, very very important note, when the examiner says solve the equation by elimination method, most of the children what they do is, they eliminate x, they get the value of y. But here they do the mistake, they will substitute the value of y in the equation and then get the value of x. So it is becoming a combination of elimination and substitution. If the method is not mentioned, you are allowed to do that way. But if the method is mentioned as substitution method, both x and y you have to obtain by eliminating x, get y, eliminating y and get x. Please keep that in mind, because in the board exam, if you take the value of y and substitute, it is becoming a combination of elimination method and substitution method. So I am sure you are clear with what elimination method is. What I am going to do now is I am going to take same equations and apply substitution method. Alright, now what is the substitution method? Please see here. Let me change the heading. The heading is substitution method. Now what do you do in substitution method? We are going to substitute x in place of y. These are the given equations. Solution. Consider any one equation I will take. I will take 3x plus 2y is equal to 11. I write 3x is equal to 11 minus 2y. Followed by I will write x is equal to 11 minus 2y by 3. So what I am going to do in substitution method, I write left side x completely and right side in terms of y. Only x will be on the left hand side and right side you will have things in terms of y. Now this I will take and substitute x in. I took the first equation, got the value of x. Now substitute x in 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Let me do that. 2 into, what is x value? 11 minus 2y by 3 plus 3y is equal to 4. Now let me take the LCM. The LCM is 3. 3 goes 1 times. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 11 minus 2y. Now 1 goes 3 times. 3 3s are 9y is equal to 4. 2 11s are 22. 2 2s are 4y plus 9y is equal to 4 3s are 12. Now 22, 9y minus 4y, 5y is equal to 12. 5y is equal to 12. This 22 will go to the other side. Minus 22. 5y is equal to how much is this? Minus 10. Y is equal to minus 2. Now once you got the value of minus 2, you can now substitute the value of y in x because it is substitution. Everywhere you are substituting. Now I will say substitute y is equal to minus 2 in x is equal to how much is this? 11 minus 2y by 3. So x is equal to 11 minus what is 2 into y? 2 into y is minus 2 by what do we have? 3. So x is equal to 11 minus plus 2 2s are 4 by 3. X is equal to 11 plus 4 is 15 by 3. And what is x is equal to 5. So you can see whether you are doing a problem by substitution method or by elimination method, the answer is same. So procedure is important. Tomorrow in the examination, when it has been asked you to do substitution method, the entire method should contain substitution only. Similarly, if asking you elimination method, you must eliminate x, get the value of y, and accordingly eliminate y, get the value of x. Don't mix up. But if it is not mentioned, you are allowed to do any method. You can combine them and still get the answer. Right? In future, there are numericals where we will be adapting both and we will be doing because it is not mentioned. I want you to do more and more numericals for practice. Do the problem using substitution method, get the result. Same result you have to get using what? Elimination method. Same result you have to get using substitution method. So there are more number of numericals in your textbook. Please practice them, and in case you have any problems, please put onto our WhatsApp group. I shall respond to them. And I am seeing that you are forgetting to like, you are forgetting to subscribe, you are not clicking the bell icon. I want you to do all that, and you can share this video maximum as possible so that your friends in turn can reach and understand and get the subject. Thank you. God bless you all. See you.